Hey guys, so a full comparison between the brand new Samsung S21 Ultra with Exynos 2100 CPU versus the OnePlus 8 Pro, an amazing last year's flagship by OnePlus. So the price gap right now is almost 2x in India, and in the US the 8 Pro is $799 versus S21 Ultra is $1199. So yeah, there's a difference for sure, but if you should buy the OnePlus 8 Pro and save some, or you should just get the Galaxy S21 Ultra by adding some, let's find out. So in terms of display, both got an amazing 120Hz Quad HD panel. Yeah, however, display in Samsung is of course brighter and got amazing colors. Not to mention it has LTPO mechanism which saves a lot of battery. Also, S21 Ultra got really slim bezels which looks great. The S21 Ultra is overall a thick phone, not easy to handle even with large hands. Also, the weight management is not the best. OnePlus 8 Pro is really light in hand, and back design is your choice. Both got amazing huge camera bump, and I think both looks unique and different. Now One UI versus Oxygen OS is something again your choice because both are now amazing skins. Reason is One UI has got like speed, security and also tons of features. The Oxygen OS has also got new animations and new user interface. It was missing from last gen OS. So both are now equally same. Both got one-handed user interface and both have amazing RAM management. So now the performance difference comes down to Exynos 2100 versus Snapdragon 865 5G CPU. Yeah, I'll show you guys the real life difference in gaming and scores. So I ran AnTuTu benchmarks and the difference was not that huge. The Samsung S21 Ultra takes 3 minutes 48 seconds to complete the GPU part, but the OnePlus 8 Pro takes 3 minutes 51 seconds, not a huge difference at all. Mali GPU versus Adreno GPU, and that also last gen. See, in terms of CPU, the Exynos 2100 is of course far superior than the 865 CPU because of cores used. They have used same cores, even overclocked, than the 888 5G CPU. But in gaming, the S21 Ultra Exynos 2100 is not optimized yet. Like in PubG, it cannot run 90 FPS, and also it cannot do balance plus extreme. It is stuck to smooth plus extreme. The OnePlus 8 Pro can not only do 90 FPS, but there's an option for HDR plus extreme. This is great. So yeah, for gamers, the OnePlus 8 Pro is a good option right now. We have no idea if PubG will support Exynos 2100 90 FPS or not. The CPU also affects battery life, and we have seen the 5nm silicon performs really good, but not to mention S21 Ultra also got a massive 5000 mAh battery. OnePlus 8 Pro was as always fantastic considering it has a constant 120Hz display plus a 4510 mAh battery. 25 watts versus 30 watts fast charging, both take nearly same time, 15 watts wireless versus 30 watts, and that's great. Now camera is great on both these devices. We do some color differences, like S21 Ultra detects the scene and makes it a little saturated, which looks great. The OnePlus 8 Pro got slight natural colors in some cases, but in some cases I feel there's a less saturation. In indoor shots both are equally great, but Samsung shows natural bokeh effect while OnePlus blurs the background intentionally, which does not look that good. Even in terms of colors, like yellow, there we have a huge difference. The S21 is slight accurate there, and 3x zooming both got amazing details in the indoor light. Now some macro images and images shot using the S21 Ultra are more bright and got more details. Samsung can go more close to the subject, but OnePlus 8 Pro is also decent, not bad at all. Yeah, there are for sure some differences, not huge. In the selfie department, I like both of them, both got quality images, and there's a color difference once again, not huge, it depends on your taste, and dynamic range is amazing on both, slight better on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now some outdoor images, and boy oh boy, S21 Ultra is just mind-blowing in terms of dynamic range. The focus was on the sun, and look at the tree, apartment, their colors. S21 Ultra is just amazing there. In this flower image, both shows natural colors. I've turned off scene optimization in S21 Ultra, and the S21 Ultra also got slight more details in there. Now in this image, both did an amazing job. Maintaining the colors is of course hard in outdoor light. Now some cool shots, and in this one the OnePlus 8 Pro colors looks really good. It maintains the shadows and dynamic range so good. The S21 Ultra is slight dull there. Zooming 3x, and S21 Ultra got a little more details there. The S21 Ultra can also do 30x zoom and also 100x zoom, which is like insanely amazing. Here's another shot, and I love both these phones' cameras. Like, they are so good, we cannot tell a huge difference at all. Super wide angle shot, and the S21 got more field of view, and the colors are also nice. The 8 Pro also did an amazing job there. In this image, I like how OnePlus maintains the shadows and dark areas. Samsung on the other hand makes everything bright. And in this image also, OnePlus 8 Pro did a decent job maintaining the dynamic range. Here are some videos I shot using both these devices, and they are equally good in colors and contrast. The 8 Pro got amazing stabilization. Yeah, surely looks better than the S21 Ultra. Some night images I shot using both these flagships, and the OnePlus 8 Pro was like toe to toe versus S21 Ultra. It was even better in some cases and details. This plant image at night, and S21 Ultra colors looks oversaturated, but OnePlus 8 Pro maintains the colors cause this plant is like really pale. In this image, the S21 Ultra just did an amazing job. The image came out really bright, and even in the brighter conditions, it was showing all the details. Yes, surely S21 Ultra is unbeatable in 100x zoom shot. There is no competition in there. Here's the moon image, and we don't have any competition there. So this all guys, both are amazing phones. All I can say, if you want to save some, get the OnePlus 8 Pro. If you have got money, get the S21 Ultra. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.